Hello guys, just arrived at my doorstep, my new Epytec rear brake kit. So I just want to show you what's inside the kit and do a short unboxing. So let's go ahead. Really well packed with the egg foam. One bag with screws and some rings. I guess this is for the brakes. And here, look at this. This is nice. Amazingly nice. Real heavy steel. Feels very good. I don't know why they are treated it with something which make it very shiny and nice. And of course it's two of those. And then another eggshell foam. Then we have my new calipers. This is from the Passat. I also has the caliper from the Charron, for those of you who has followed my channel and follow my project with this. The problem with the Charron is that this screw, which are supposed to go into the Epytec, will not fit. It's too big. But on the Passat, it's perfect. Look at that. So my newly restored Charron brakes will have to pass, and I will have to restore this one also. At least I have almost done it, but need some color paint. But let's try a test assembly, see how it looks. This is going to the hub, of course, so this one has to be placed like this. Let's see if I can manage. And looking good so far. And here we have it. Rear brake for the Volkswagen Vanagon T3 or T25 as they call it in UK. Next question will be, of course, if the disc will fit inside here. But anyway, that was the short introduction. I don't know if you can see this, but here are some numbers, which is also the ordering number. I can't see it in the camera, but hopefully it shows on the film afterwards. So that was not all. We have to see what's in the bag. Of course, we have two rings, adapter ring, which looks amazingly nicely done. Comfort edge and everything, very nice. Looks like acid-proof steel. Yep. And we have four of those screws. Two to each side. They fit inside here, all I know for now. And I also have two of those screws, which happens to fit here. Yes. So then it looks like this. I'm not sure if this is correct, but we will take a look at it when I put it on the car. Looks amazingly good. So that's it for now. Follow my channel and subscribe if you like it. See you later. Goodbye.